time to install siding at the Pro Tradecraft demonstration house, we were in for a treat with a new siding system.
New technology, it's a new material type. So we're going to give you guys a basic overview of how the product works itself, and then we'll tell you a little bit about the company and some of the, a bit of the philosophy around how we design products. But for that, I'll let Jeff take it away and give you a little bit more about the company, and I'm going to pretend that I'm an installer. My main function is selling and marketing, but please forgive me. Yeah, I haven't.
The fiberglass composite panels slip into a J channel at the bottom. Other skirtboard and starter strip configurations can work too. The first panel butts into the corner and the top is screwed into the wall sheathing. At the edges of the panels that are butted together, sections of the pattern are missing for screw locations. These gaps in the pattern are filled in later. As with other types of siding, it's important to keep an eye on the patterns while staggering the joints.
You do want to be careful of any repeat patterns or anything that's visible if you're doing a big wall. So that's why we started with a half panel there, put a full panel on, and then quite simply you can do a couple of things here. You could cut this, stagger it, but for demonstration purposes we're going to use the whole panel.
The second course locks into the lower one with a tongue and groove-like joint. Weep holes in the groove allow water to drain through and down the back. Again, the panels are butted together and screwed off. One accessory is a water table-like element which can be useful for separating two types of siding, such as brick and stone. It also slides into the tongue and groove joint and is screwed to the wall. Now that the wall is covered with siding, we can go back and patch the fastener locations. The matching veneers are adhered to the panel with an exterior adhesive.